Hey, what's going on? Thank you for tuning into Rules for Rebels. In today's video, we're going to be answering a question about Amazon merch. We're going to be doing another one of these Q&A with Jay episodes. I started doing these a while back, and then I think around the holidays, I kind of fell off the wagon and just kind of totally forgot about them. But the idea behind these types of videos is I'm going to be taking either comments or questions I get via email that I think apply to a lot of different people and aren't really specific to one person's situation. And I'm going to be kind of answering these and sharing the question and the answer on a video so we can help out more people who might be facing this issue as well. So Aaron Glancy dropped a comment on a merch video and he said, "I just got approved. Congratulations for that, Aaron. I uploaded my first shirt and it got rejected for my description. I put cotton due to the t-shirt details info. I don't understand it. It also made me do 75 characters in the description, which is why I felt that I needed to fill it up. What did I do wrong?" So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Okay, so I'm taking you guys over to one of my shirts. I'm sure some people probably jump on this and try to copy it or at least run with a similar theme. But this is my I Love My Side Chick shirt. Now, this is kind of a shirt for Valentine's Day. And we're really not talking merch strategy here, but you guys can kind of see one way I kind of tried to differentiate this. Everyone's doing, I love my girlfriend, I love my wife. Here's a heart with an arrow. Everyone's doing that type of stuff. I thought we'd kind of take it a little bit more of a parody or more comical route. And I thought we would do a I Love My Side Chick. So really, really classy shirt. I'm sure you guys would expect nothing less from me here. But let's take a look down here at the details. So I don't even think I bothered putting a description for this shirt. Yeah, I didn't. Anyhow, I was just kind of lazily throwing up as many shirts as quickly as I could. But if we go down here to the description, the two lines that I put in are funny parody Valentine's Day shirt says I love my side chick. And if you like funny shirts, you'll want to give your wife or girlfriend a laugh, get this shirt. So those are the two lines that I put. I didn't put a description, but if we look here, solid colors, 100% cotton. Heather grays are 90% cotton, 10% polyester, and all other heathers are 65% cotton and 35% polyester. Amazon already lays out all the info about the shirt here, so you don't need to tell people that your shirt is cotton, and quite frankly, you're actually wasting valuable real estate from the description and the bullet points if you're wasting time describing things that are already listed here. It says imported, machine wash cold. So again, the shirt's described. You don't need to add anything to this. So stay away from putting cotton or anything down there. And let's actually head on over here and take a look at, this is the Amazon merch terms of service page. And I could have sworn that the TOS used to actually tell you you're not allowed to talk about Amazon Prime or fast delivery times. You're not allowed to describe where the shirts are made, so you can't say made in the USA or anything like that. And I think they really don't want you saying things like super soft or how it fits, anything like that, right? Amazon will take care of describing all that. You just describe what your shirt is all about. And I kind of read through here already. What can I include in my details page? You're not allowed to put phone numbers, email addresses, website URLs, no reviews, quotes, or testimonials. You can't reference this is shipping by Amazon Prime. You can't promise that a percentage of your sales are going to go to a charity. No cussing, no keyword stuffing, etc. I could have sworn at one point Amazon actually said something about you're not allowed to talk about t-shirt materials, where it's made, etc. Either I can't find the part of the page where they said that, or they've since changed the TOS. But the only thing that I can gather is that's why your t-shirts are getting declined, because you're describing cotton and things like that. Excuse me. I'm not sure what your t-shirt was about. I'm trying to think of an example, like football or whatever else. But something that I kind of fall back on, like if I've completely run out of stuff to say, I'll just kind of start endlessly rambling. And I mean, not that that's necessarily the best way of going about SEO, but at least you're kind of filling up the space. So I typically find that bullet points are pretty easy to do. Once I get down to the description, and let me kind of go backwards and say, up until a couple months ago, I wasn't even doing descriptions because I heard Glenn from Hustler Hacks and also the Merch Minds podcast say he didn't do descriptions. So I was like, well, this guy's killing it on merch. If he's not doing descriptions, why am I going to waste my time on him? He has since started doing, and at the time I did think it was kind of weird. I was like, well, why are they going to give me this box if there's no reason for it? Anyhow, Glenn and Young, both hosts of Merch Minds, who both do very well on merch, have since kind of changed their stance. They now both do descriptions, so I kind of started doing descriptions as well. I do find that by the time I get to the description, I'm almost just kind of recapping what I put into bullet points. But if nothing else, just start rambling. Like, I don't know, for this shirt. If you love Valentine's Day, you may love this shirt. This shirt will be sure to get a laugh or a smack from your girlfriend or wife when she opens it up. Rather than getting those little candy hearts, why not buy this t-shirt? Like, not that that's fantastic, but I mean, it's better than like recapping and describing their shirt. Like any rambling that you can do that incorporates words having to do with like husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, Valentine's Day, love, etc. is better than putting nothing at all. So that's kind of my strategy, and that's really the only thing that I can gather as far as why your shirt's getting declined, because you really don't need to be describing the material, how the shirt feels, how it's going to ship. Amazon's got that all taken care of. So that may be why your designs are getting delisted. If you're struggling to kind of find additional keywords, you can kind of go and look at similar shirts. I mean, let's take a look. So for let's see, Valentine's Day shirt. So this is something I might do, is just kind of look at other shirts out there and like, you know, these ones are sponsored. I typically tend to ignore the sponsored shirts because they're not up at number one because they have good SEO. They're up at number one because they're paying to have them up there. So here's like the number one organic result. Let's see, custom party shop, women's dinosaur, Valentine's Day, super soft. So here they're kind of describing what ladies, happy Valentine's Day. You know, that's not really a great example there, but you guys get the point. Just kind of start going through, looking at what other people are doing, get some keyword ideas from them. You do have tools like Merch Informer that are made for this, or you could even go to something like keyword.io. There's plenty of keyword tools out there that you can use to find additional keywords to kind of stuff. I hate to say stuff because we don't want to keyword stuff, but that you can find additional keywords to put into your listing. So hopefully this helps you out. Definitely stay away from referring to anything prime or how it ships, as well as describing the actual t-shirts. Stick to describing the niche or what the shirts are actually about, and you should be good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.